Hi, my name is Gordon Chambers. Welcome to Fort Greene. This is my neighborhood, and this is my house, which I call Lovesong. So it's been 15 years as a solo artist and 25 years as a songwriter and 20 years in this house. It's a house filled with memorabilia from my travels all over the world, awards for songs and collaborations that I've done with artists to be a source of inspiration. Come on in. So this is a classic, what they call this is an Italianite brownstone. This house was built in 1903. When you first walk into my home, you're greeted within the great room. To me, it's pretty great for many reasons. I'm a Libra, and Libras, if you know anything about us, we love art, we love beauty, we love all things that we think provide balance. I'm a musician, so this is my piano where I've written songs. Parties here always end up with us getting around this piano and singing. That's inevitable. And I think when people come in here, they feel good and they feel like they can dream. This house had a big fire and we did a major gut renovation. It took over 2 years to gut renovate this house. My close friend, Will DeBose, really helped me re-envision this space. I think the theme of the house, especially the redesign of the house, was antiquity, modernity, timelessness, and peacefulness. Somehow I'm still here, proud and I can say that I made it through the tears, and I did it on my way, my way. This is my kitchen and dining room area. It's my favorite intimate space in the house. This is also my dining table. When the fire happened, it had extensive water damage, but I found this guy who did some restoration on it and he saved it. It was important to me because it really has a lot of memories. 3 months after Whitney Houston had passed, her entire family came over for a family dinner. We sat here and we talked. I'll always remember that particular dinner because it was like a sense of healing in this house. I was very lucky to find a brownstone that had so many beautiful original details. This new chandelier that Will picked out for me, I remember fighting with him in the store. I didn't understand why it was drooping that way, but when it fell into the room, it just really counterpointed well the length of it with some of the longer pieces here. I just love it. This is the more private part of the home where I hang out most of the time when I'm home alone. I'm really hanging out here in the lounge. And on the walls, there's lots of memorabilia. There's awards for songs I've written for many artists, presidential invitations when I've been invited to the White House. One of the dearest pictures to me is the night I met Stevie Wonder. This is just memories of my life, my music, my career. I have a whole wall of family photos. Growing up in Teaneck, New Jersey, I was always fascinated with another Jersey girl who made a huge impact on the entire world, Miss Whitney Houston. My dream really came true, and I actually got to produce on 2 of Whitney Houston's albums. And then she came up to me, she said, I think you want to do what I do, baby. If that's what you need to do, then that's what you need to do. She said it just like that. I was like, you know what, maybe I am good enough. If Whitney Houston says I can do this, then maybe I can do this. That's when I started recording as a solo artist, and the newest album, Surrender, includes a tribute to Whitney. So we're here now in the back part of the garden level where the master bedroom is, which also opens up with sliding doors to my office and my walk-in closet. I can just close my door and just being here, I can get my work done, I can relax, I can watch TV. Behind the bed, there's some bit of exposed brick. And then we decided to put wood on the walls. It just felt earthy, it felt organic. And so that's why when I sleep here, I feel very protected and I feel very safe. As an entrepreneur, I've worked for myself for 21 years. You have to keep generating clients, you have to keep generating possibilities. And this office being so close in proximity to the garden feels that way. I love watering it because it's not just taking care of the plants, it's also taking care of the energy that pours into the space. Last and not least, these are Gordon's gardens at my home, which is called Lovesong. I hope you've enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. All about love. Share these homes, you know?